I'm a drone enthusiast, always keen to will a perfect sunny day to fly my bird. It's weekend, perfect weather and atmosphere to hike up the rough mountains and chase down the race lines. When I step out of the everyday world, I find a fulfillment within myself. Going into nature and being surrounded by the wisdom of trees, the inspiration of the mountains, and warmth of the sun. I can feel the subtle peace enter my mind and spirit. And what else you want if you get to watch all this from above like a bird?